friends, it's Miss Allison. How are you? Today we are going to do a petal counting experience. And for this, I took colored paper and I cut out circles. And what I did was I put numerals on the inside of each circle that I cut out. Okay, and you can pick whatever colors you like. And then what goes around to make a flower? We need petals. So I cut out petals in all different colors also, and you can either match them or pattern them, however you want to do it. So what I did was wrote a number 5 on this one. So we would need 5 petals to go around. So it helps us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And over here, we have number 8. We can do that one. 1. What would come next? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And you could keep going all the way through. You could even choose to do all the same color if you want to do it as a matching and counting activity. That would be easy. That you could do if this is a number 7, you would count up to number 7. So you would do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and that way it's all the same color. So that is a petal counting experience. The higher the number, the more petals. The lower the number, the less petals. You can count, you can skip number count, or you can do it maybe even in Spanish if you can count in Spanish. What I wanted to talk about next was actually flowers and parts of flowers, because petals are parts of flowers. And it's spring, so all the flowers are growing. I made a poster. It says, parts of a flower. So up here, this is what we just counted around the top. These are the petals. And here it says, flower petals attract bees to pollinate the flower. And in the middle part where we have the numerals here, a real flower would have seeds, and that helps make more flowers. These over here don't have stems, but stems come down and they carry water from the roots, which are down here, to the leaves. And the leaves over here soak up light and air to make food for the plant. And then this is the grass, and then under the ground, the plant has, or the flower has, roots. And the roots soak up water and nutrients from the soil, and they help anchor the flower to the ground, which means hold it in there and keep it there. Okay, so that I made, but what I wanted to do was look at some real flowers with you. Most of them are from my garden or my yard outside. Okay, so here, and most of these are spring flowers. This is a hyacinth. This grew in my yard. These have a whole bunch of little flowers together, and it makes one big flower with one stem, but each little section has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 petals. These are bluebells. And these have a whole bunch of little flowers also that make one flower. And they kind of really don't have petals. It just has like a little round thing, which I guess is their petals. This is a daffodil. It's yellow And how many grew on this stem? Can you count? There's 3. There's 3 flowers on one stem, and each flower has the middle part that comes up like a cup, and then it has flowers, petals around the back part of it. And this is called a Forsythia. This is from a bush in my backyard. And it has all kinds of yellow flowers on it that'll fall off, and then green leaves are gonna grow. This one's a tulip. This is a tulip. And these petals are gonna open up. There's a whole bunch of them, and they're still closed tight. And inside, it's gonna make kind of a cup, and inside are the seeds when that opens up. This is called a dropping heart. Okay, this is one of my favorites. It only makes flowers in the springtime. And the flowers actually look like hearts. So that's why they call them that. And then we have, this is a mum. This one's from the grocery store. This is a mum. These grow in the fall. That's why it's not from my yard now. And these have many, many, many petals with the seeds in the middle. So there's all different kinds of flowers, and they're all starting to grow outside now. And when you find them, you can always look at them and count their flowers, and it'll help you remember your numbers. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This one has 6. So thank you for coming to count parts and learn about parts of a flower with me. Thank you very much. See you next time.